Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to create animated text in Canva. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to your Canva, tap on create a design, and then click presentation. Now, in order for you to create animated text here in Canva, first you have to choose this blank page. You can tap on designs and then select any template or design right here. So let's just say if you want to animate the text out from this template or design, you just have to click the word, let's just say group project. And then on the upper part, you will see this animate right here. Click this. Then you will see other option. Tap on text. And then you can now choose whatever effect or whatever animation you want. So basically, it will somehow show you a preview of the animated text. And all you have to do is to click and select that. There are tons of animations and effects here in Canva. And I strongly suggest if you upgrade your plan, you can also upgrade your plan to see or to unlock more features in animation. So aside from that, you can also adjust the speed, the intensity, and also the writing style. So that's it. You can also remove all animations if you want. Just scroll down and tap on remove animations. So basically, that's how easy it is to create animated text in Canva. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.